All right, I have a good news for you. Certified Threat Intelligence and Governance Analyst certification is now available for free, not even $3. The first attempt, if you look here, is the coupon code here. So you got to click on Control C. I'll click on Buy Exam and we'll add promotional code here. And there we go. The price is $0, so it's available for free. So you got to provide your email and complete the order so as to go ahead with the course and the certification. So please do share this video with your friends and colleagues who are into cybersecurity so that they can learn new skill. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to this channel because I regularly update videos related to high paying IT certification and free courses or certification from time to time. Please check out my other courses on Udemy by searching Cloud Guru Amit, where I have tons of courses related to cloud computing, that is Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, cybersecurity, management courses, and many more. And also, please consider connecting with me on LinkedIn at the rate of Cloud Guru Amit or Instagram at the rate of Amit Physique, where if you need any kind of personal assistance, I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video.